All right, real quick, I just want to kind of go over why TC2000 is a really nice platform. Even if you don't have the real-time data on there, um, still, if you're trading within the TC2000, in other words, if you're not pulling information from outside of, let's say, outside the program, so let's say you're not going to a website and looking at other things. So all this information here is going to be according to the information that you're subscribed to. So if you don't have the real-time data, all your results are going to be 15 minutes delayed, right? 15 minutes behind on your scan, 15 minutes there, 15 minutes on your chart, 15 minutes for your trades. And that's okay, right? So again, it's not like you need the real-time data because you're making real-time trades. So that's the one thing I want you to kind of pay attention to first off. Again, this is how simple it is, right? So using your risk adjusted position sizing. All you gotta do is go up here. You can click in the quantity. You can type in whatever, 250 shares, right? Click OK, right? If you want to do a limit order, you can do a limit. You can have it do it at the ask price minus 2 cents, or you can change this here to market, or any other thing that you want to do. Then you can have the time of day, and then you would just go ahead and click buy, right? And then if you want to short something, you put in your amount according to your risk adjusted sizing here, right? Look how simple that is. So maybe I want to do 300 shares. But here, let me find something real quick. Let me see if I can find something that's going down. All right, so let's say I wanted to buy here, right? So I know 50 cents. I know I got 20-cent stop loss, so I can have 1,000 shares. I'm risking 200 bucks, right? So again, watch this. I'll change this to a market. So once it's there, look, now that's my buy price. I just click, drag the line down to my 20 cents, right? So I got 30 cents. Look right here. Like if that's not if that's not good enough for you, you can click on this right here. You can go down and look, now it's at 200. Click sell. Now you've already set your stop loss. That's how quick and easy it is, right? So now maybe you want to set a target, right? Maybe you're like, if it gets to this point, I'll sell. You can click and drag the line. So you're going right from this right here, from the buy line. I can click and drag it up here and say, well, if it gets up here, it's going to sell my entire position, and I'm going to make 400 bucks. To see how simple that is. Right now, this usually works better in the morning, right? Because you have stocks that are moving. So this is, since it's like 3:15, a lot of these stocks aren't going to be moving this time of day. Like, TQQ might be moving some, right? So again, here we go. Look at this. Click, drag it over. Look, now you can draw your patterns real easy, right? So if it goes up here, maybe I'm willing to, let's see, that's 40 cents. So I'm going to take 500 shares and risk 200 bucks, right? Look at this. I get in here, and again, you can. I mean, sometimes if you're off and all you're willing to risk is 200 bucks, go over here, click this, right, and you can see it pops up. So look, this is a really smart way to learn how to simulate trading. And like I said, if you can get good with this, and here's the other thing. So let's say that I'm my stock here. Let's take CQQ. So let's say I want to get out of my position, right? Now this is my sell, right? So this is the buy and this is the short. If I want to take profits, I can go right here and it will automatically go according to my position. So if I'm long, this will be a sell, right? If I'm short, it will be a buy. So let's say I want to sell 50% of my position. Let's say I'll go up here, I'll do 50% of my position, right? Look at that. Now I still have 50% of my position left, right? And you'll be able to see right here on the screen, like you'll have a little red dot for sells, and you'll have a little green dot for buys. So like we'll go back here and I'll take a look at this other one. So, I'm sorry, blue one, a blue dot for buys. But this is how simple it is, right? It's just like the easiest way to paper trade. The only problem that I don't like about this is having to click this box, type in a number, and preferably I like to be able to give myself an actual limit, right? Like I like to be able to pick my limit, right? But again, you can click this here. You can actually put in your buy, like say I want to put in, like I only want to buy at 45.30. Well, I can do that. I can put in 45.30 for my price, right? Or I can use like little ways to maybe at the ask price. Maybe I can step to the ask price. All these things you don't really need to know that much about, but look, that's what I like to do, right? So I usually do when I do things like when I'm trying to get into a stock here. I just got to stop out of the other one. But what I'll do is I'll do ask, and I'll do let's see here. I usually do ask -2. Here you go. Ask -2. So that way there, I don't have to pay the actual ask price, but if I can get it at 2 cents below, then at least I'm a little bit better off, right? So, make sense? So hopefully, this will explain to you why it's a little bit easier. But again, if I'm in a stock, so let's say my stock starts moving up. At any point, this all I gotta do is click and drag my buy price up, or my stop loss, right? So now I just lessened my risk from 200 to 100, right? So now it's pushing up. I'm making money, right? So maybe I want to sell 250 shares of this and take some profit, right? So I'm only going to take $25 profit. Look. So there you go. Now, after I'm up here, I can raise my stop loss above there. So now I'm locking in any profits. So this is what's so awesome about TC2000. Not to mention, at any point, like I have all these scans that are going, right? So maybe I'm missing some stuff during the day. I just clicked cycle through. Oh, look, like that would have been a good short, man. But yeah, like see, just to say, look, and let's say that you want to do, I don't know, let's say you want to get crazy and you want to do 100% of what you have in your portfolio. You can click that, right? And it's going to set up this thing. But now we're shorting this, right? So if this thing falls hard, right, we could rip some serious money. So we probably missed that whole candle there. So it probably won't do anything else now just because I wanted it to. But again, you have your positions over here. You have your open orders right here. You have your daily chart. You have your intraday chart. You have your buy, your sell, and then you have how you can close your positions. Whether it's you can click here and go, maybe I want to, like let's say maybe I want to cover all my position, right? 100%. If we look over here, we have 61,000 shares that we're shorting, which obviously would have been a bad idea. And click, it'll automatically buy. But if we wanted to come up here and click this, now see this will turn to sell, right? So maybe we want to sell another 50% of our shares, right? So we sold basically all of it right there. So again, this is how simple it is. I mean, I don't want to make it sound trivial, like it's real simple and easy, but the more that you click through this, and if honestly, if you just go ahead and sign up for the $29.99 a month, so it's $30 a month. You don't need the real-time data. It's not going to mess you up with your trading. It's not going to mess you up as far as not having everything in real time, because remember, all the data on your screen here is 15 minutes delayed. So it's not like this is all real-time data up here and your trades are 15 minutes behind, right? So that would give you a false indication on how your trades are. So that's the difference. It's like, but if you're including external things like my alerts, or if you're excluding external things like, I don't know, something from Ameritrade's website, or from Twitter, or from another chat room or something, yeah, it's not going to match up because they're looking at data in real time. If you just stay within this realm here at TC2000, everything you're going to get is going to be 15 minutes delayed because you don't have the data. Here, let me show you. So if you click up here into my services, see there's a data feed, right? $14.99 for US real-time stock data. If you unclick that, right, you won't be paying for, actually it won't be clicked for you. The only reason it's clicked for me is because I have that. So as long as you don't click that, you don't need it. And you don't need this other stuff either, right? All you need is the $29.99 a month, right? And remember, if you sign up with a new account, right, if you use a new account and you use my code, you'll get $25 off. So really, the first month's going to cost you $5, right? $5. You can afford $5. All right. So I hope this helps you.